Yo YouTube, welcome back to another video here on the Big Finance channel. My name is Zay. I talk about crypto analysis. We look at Bitcoin, Ethereum, other altcoins, and we just go ahead and let's go ahead and just dive into the charts. Right, today is March 27, 2025. It's currently Thursday around 8:15 a.m. The sun is shining, spring is here, and it's time to just, spring forward into a new season, into a new year. Not a new year, but a new quarter. And just let the blessings, just flow. Bitcoin's currently sitting at $87,000, which is okay. If it's pretty good, if you look at the grand scheme of things, if we just scroll out and look here on the weekly chart, you can see just how far Bitcoin has come. From, if we even just start here, look all the way up here, Bitcoin is up a total of 177,000%, which is crazy over its lifetime. Since the start of this new bull run is up almost 600, or it has got up to around 600%. If you entered at the bottom of the bull run, currently where we're at now, price is up 446%. We do still, in my opinion, have a lot of upside to go. I would be targeting somewhere around the 250 range. That's just my personal prediction. What is left in this bull run. If we also just scroll back and just look to see what's going on, we are still slowly gaining strength towards the upside, but it's very slow and it's taking a lot of time. That's something that you don't want to see as far as a bullish move. You want to see quick, sharp, fast corrections, which indicates that the bulls are in control, meaning that they have enough power to send the price much higher. When you have slow, choppy, rangy price action, this indicates that the bulls are losing strength, they're losing control, they're losing power, meaning that the bears are slowly taking over, right? So if you don't have enough strength to move towards the upside, what do you think is going to happen? You're going to continue to slope, continue to move up until the bulls run out. That's when the bears strike at its finest hour and send the price crashing down quick, sharp, and fast, right? Until you hit a support area such as this, which I believe is going to be key in our progression back up, right? Because if you look at, how I mentioned the bull run so far, we are currently in a uptrend. We've been setting lower highs. Boom, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? If we come back down here, create a lower high, this will be the 6th time in the bull run which we did that, and that would position us to make a lot more money, right? If we continue this trend of coming down here, creating a lower high, moving up, creating lower high, moving up some more, lower high, and so on and so forth, right? That's what we're working with right now. If we look at Ethereum, I did not do well in this trade so far. I saw price coming down. I took my loss. I closed my loss early, and I just took the L just because I didn't like how price was moving. This had a lot to do with how Bitcoin was moving as well. We saw 2 daily candles come back down. I was like, I don't like it. We're still slow and choppy. What gave me a lot of conviction was these 2 bullish candles beforehand, and hence we did not see much growth after that. I haven't even looked at Solana and Doge, but if I just look at it, my guess is that it didn't push up highly either. Now let's check it out. Boom, it came right back down to that support zone. Let's see Doge. Doge did not finish its pump and get to this resistance area, and it closed, or is working on a red candle currently, right? This one right here already finished bearish. So that's that, but we are still in this support range. So I would want to see Bitcoin and the S&P continue to correct before I enter a long position, right? So you see on the S&P, we had a bearish day, right? It looks like it's coming back down. I'm not sure if it'll hold today. Today's gonna be critical. Today and tomorrow's gonna be critical. Let me see what the weekly's looking like. If we close red, that's not a good sign. It would just mean that we're in the middle of this range and we're not really doing much. You want to see price migrate to one of these areas before we make another move. So with all that being said, I'm chilling right now. I'm just stacking my coins, putting it to the side because I know a big move is coming, right? Whether we reach, let's use Bitcoin for right now, whether we reach up here or down here, that's where I'm entering my move. I don't want to touch anything that is inside of here right now. Why? That does me no good. That's not a key area, key support area, or key resistance area, which I want to be targeting right now to give me the highest probability to make money, right? That's really the bulk of it. That's really the gist of it. Yeah. Today's a great day. It's Thursday. We on the back end of the week. Let's go ahead and finish this week strong. Y'all do well. Y'all keep pushing. Y'all do what you do. Let's have a great day. Let's make some money and keep you focused. Stay focused. And yeah, I'm gone.